Hello friend, in this video I am going to show you how you can temporarily enable or disable Windows Defender for file download or any software download from Chrome or any browser. For doing this setting, you first have to go to the setting of a PC. For this, first you have to go to window icon on the taskbar and go to setting. After going to setting, you have to go to left side on privacy and security option. After clicking on it, you will see on right side Windows security option. The first option of Windows security, you have to click on it. After clicking on it, you have to click on virus and threat protection. After you click on virus and threat protection, this window will appear to you. You have to go to manage setting in virus and threat protection settings. After clicking on manage settings, you have to disable real-time protection and cloud delivered protection. So first we have to disable real-time protection. After disabling it, then you have to disable cloud delivered protection. Now your Windows Defender is temporarily disabled from your PC. Now you can download any software or any file that you want to download. After downloading it, you have to just return on it so that your Windows security do not breach. Hope you like the video. Thanks for watching video.